What's up, YouTube? We are standing in a really long line for the gun show. Right there, that way. Right now we are heading towards the giant gun show. And we were all the way down there. So now we have to stand in like a line that's like 2 miles long. But we are basically almost there. It might not really seem that far from where you are, but it's pretty long. And me and my dad are gonna go in, find some airsoft guns for me, and some Scar L's magazines. And so, yeah, it's gonna take forever. That's our gun that we're selling. Yeah. Everything. So, there's some guns that people are selling around here. So, yeah, see ya.